In order to work with fixed assets, access the menu Fixed Assets and Fixed Assets list here in the taskbar. Click this button to add new fixed asset. Here in the screen, you have to specify a fixed asset code, its name, quantity, balance cost parent account 2150 and parent account of accrued depreciation 2250 as well. In case of the legal entity of public law, you only need to specify balance cost account. And here in this page dates, you can specify fixed assets production date, the date when it was accepted, also putting into operation date, and its closing date as well. And in the page depreciation, in the field accrued depreciation method, select taxation, and all fields which you need to fill out for this method become activated. Now let's specify balance cost, annual depreciation coefficient, and quantity of depreciation months, and the system will fill out other fields using formulas. Pay attention to that. Here in this field, accrued depreciation amount for following period prepared by the system automatically. You see letters along with those fields. These letters are used in formula to calculate accrued depreciation amount. Let's look at this formula. D depreciation cost multiplied by B annual depreciation coefficient divided by 12 and divided by the coefficient of the depreciation month quantity. You can build condition in this formula as well. Change this field. Conditional part is separated by a question mark. In case of truth, will be performed equation before the colon, but in case of false, equation after the colon. You can make changes in this formula. Those changes will be memorized by the system, and next time accrued depreciation will be calculated using formula you've modified recently. And here in this page, miscellaneous, you can see informational fields. In this field, sale price, you can specify fixed asset sale price for further selling. And now click OK to save fixed asset. And then after the fixed asset has been saved, its sub-account will be created by the system automatically under the account which was specified as parent account. You can see this account in the menu Accounting and Chart of Accounts. And now move back to the menu of Fixed Asset List and talk about colors. Add new fixed asset. As you see here, these fields written off closed by disintegration and closed by integration have a light red background color and red, blue, and green font color correspondingly. Now check this box written off, and as you see, the same light red background and red font color has this asset in this list. Add one more fixed asset and check closed by disintegration this time, and you see the same background but font color becomes now blue. Add new one and check closed by integration, and font color is green this time. And one more detail, as you see, this field closing date has a light red background as well. So if you check this box here, fixed asset background color will be the same light red in this list. And also pay attention to the fact that if accrued depreciation amount is 0, then fixed asset background will be light blue. But if accrued depreciation amount is more than depreciation cost, background will be green. So you can differentiate fixed asset properties using those colors. If you want to change fixed assets which is already added, check this fixed asset and click update button or F2 key on the keyboard, and now you can make any changes in this screen. If you want to save those changes, then click OK, but if you click close button, then screen will be closed without saving those changes. Also, you can make changes directly in the fixed asset list. To do that, check certain field and update it by double clicking of the mouse, and now you can make any changes.